So how's it going, fellow YouTubers? Hope everybody's enjoying the weekend. Well, I'm here with the final on that tuner group build with my Datsun 280ZX. Just got it done there a little bit ago. Didn't have any major problems with it. Putting it together, everything went together fine. The decals were good. They didn't tear or rip. Paint worked out great. Get a shot of the interior there if I can. Well, you can take these T-tops out. There we go. Yeah, I didn't get any glue on the windows, surprisingly enough. On just about nearly every model I build, I managed to get glue on a window somewhere, but not this time. Okay, we'll pop the hood here and get a shot of the motor. Come on, stay up. It's kind of hard to see. So I'll throw a little light on the situation here. There we go. That's better. Yeah, everything went together fine, like I said. Well, I did have one problem. The taillights. Last night I was sitting here and I got to the step where I had to put the taillights on, and I got to looking for them and couldn't find them. I looked everywhere. I looked in the box, the model box. I looked in my paint box. I thought maybe I'd thrown them away by accident while still attached to the parts tree down here in my little garbage can. So I dug it out and I took it over to the kitchen and I went through it, taking out garbage and putting it into the big can, you know. And I dug all the way through till I got to the bottom and never did find them. So I don't know what happened to them. But what happened was I found these. Well, I found this. This was the cutout from the hood of that Gremlin. Remember here the other day when I did my finishing up in February group build final with that Can-Am, and I showed you guys the other models that I'd painted. I'd painted their bodies. Well, while I was doing that, I cut out the hole in the hood of that Gremlin, and I dropped it in my trash can. Well, last night I got to looking for my taillights, like I said, and I couldn't find them. But I came across the hood of the hood cutout from that Gremlin, and I used it. I cut it lengthwise into two pieces, and then I just filed it and ground it down until I got got them into the shape they needed to be to fit into that recess across the back of the car. And yeah, the rounded corners up here, I used my cordless drill with that grinding tool, closest thing I've got to a Dremel tool, to round off the corners up here. And I just, like I said, I filed them and ground them down to fit, put them in and painted them. And there you have it, taillights. Made from the piece of a hood from an AMC Gremlin, that is. So, yeah, it turned out right nice. That's the first non-American car I've ever built. Every car I've ever built has been GM, Ford, or Chrysler, you know. This is the first non-American car I built. And I like it. It's nice. It looks good. So, there's that. And, yeah, you remember, that's been several months ago, I told you I went by an antique shop up the highway where I found that 41 Lincoln Continental, which I built for that 48-hour group build a while back. Well, I went by that same antique shop yesterday and found this. Gave only $15 for it. All the parts are there. I looked through it before I bought it, you know. It's got the instructions, and I did an inventory of all the parts. They're all there. So I was like, heck yeah, only $15 too. So I'll be building that at some point. Well, I guess that's pretty much it. I'm not sure what group builds are coming up anytime soon or are currently going on. Well, wait a minute. Excuse me. I heard there's a Ratfink group build going on. And I don't believe there's any end date to it. So I may build this next. So. All right, so I guess that's pretty much it now. So I guess I'll get off here, and I don't know, I might eat a bite of lunch, and who knows what I'll do. I may start on something else. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to get off here, and we'll talk to you all later. Bye.